Every so often, you may need to carry out DIY tasks within confined spaces. This Ryobi 1 Plus cordless angle drill is the perfect solution for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as driving screws in such tight confined spaces. A 10mm keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide range of accessories, and powerful 15 Nm of torque is sufficient for carrying out most of the applications that are typically reserved for a standard cordless drill. An LED light is activated whenever the drill trigger is pulled to help illuminate the work area during applications. The magnetic drill bit tray can hold and store metal accessories, maximizing your convenience while working on projects. And with one 2.5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can drive up to 700 4x32mm screws per charge. This angle drill is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless angle drill will work with any 1 Plus battery.